Hello and welcome back to Zoo World. I am Zookeeper Ella or Zookeeper Dark Horse, whichever one you want. And I am glad to say that we successfully brought Lily back in the same episode as she died. So she died last episode, for those of you who aren't familiar. Oh, and I know I told you, Tim, I was going to do this. I was going to do at least 3 videos today, and I did that goal. I've got 4 videos up today. One of them is not a Minecraft video. One of them is about these poor little babies' foals who are being taken away from their mothers, desensitized, or whatever they call it, and have made run around, have ropes all around them, have whips around them, and then humans say, I'm a good horsemanship person. I did a good job. That baby foal, he's gonna grow up to be a great horse. He's gonna be one of my best mares, and he's gonna be my best barrel racing horse because I desensitized him, and I did it the Clint Anderson way. Stupid humans. How do you think that your puppy would feel if that happened to them? I mean, I don't get it. You wouldn't do that to a dog. You wouldn't do that to a cat. But why does it have to be for horses? What is the difference, people? Okay, I'm gonna get out of this cave. Oh, yeah, maybe not that way. Oh, yeah, puppies, come. Lily, I swear, why do you like Glavitorax is going to die this episode. Sit off and move. No, good puppy. Good puppy, save yourself. Well, guys, 2 of our puppies have died. In the last 2 episodes, 2 of our puppies have died, and Lily, these flames are getting uncomfortably close to my little puppy named Lily. Oh my. Yeah, Maybe next time I fall into a cave, I could consider maybe sitting them down by mistake or something before I fall. That would be fun. Honestly, I feel safer with my puppies, but I don't think they feel very safe. Geez, yeah. 2 of our puppies. Yeah, first of all, their brother has died, too. I just call them and tell them that they're related, because I feel like we're all one big happy family, and now I think it would be safer to go up. Go away, shoo! Shoo, you're not welcome here. Shoo! Everybody except for you are welcome in this world. Stand, Lily, stand, Alpha. Yeah, maybe I'll make them sit until the moment we leave. Farley. Okay, we're gonna bring Rex back. T/game mode. I'm terrible at spelling this. I'm gonna get it this time. Game mode. Okay, well, while I bring him back, actually, let me just write this down, or else I'm gonna be distracted. Game mode. So, I'm just gonna tell you something while I bring him back. I'm doing horseback riding lessons, and I really love it, and I do them at Sunday Star Ranch. If you're familiar with that place, or Rebecca, if somebody like that is watching this video, tell me in the comments below, write a comment. But yeah, if you know Sunday Star Ranch, I'm going there for horseback riding lessons, and it is so fun. I ride on Copper, also write what horse you ride on. I love horses. You guys actually probably don't know that too well, but I am obsessed with horses. So if you really love horses too, write it in the comments below. And if you have or had a horse, write it also in the comments below. Tell them their color. Tell me their colors. Tell me lots of details. I'm a good listener, especially when it comes to horses. So yeah, so do that. Yeah, we'll probably, like, when it comes to horses, it'll be like for chickens, it'll be like nice little coop, food, water, and there'll be horses, and there's an entire barn filled with them. Like a huge Grand Prix barn. And then when we do the horses, we'll also have to do all this other stuff. Oh, and I know, Tim, I know that you have horses, so, yeah, write that in the comments below, just because I know what your horses are, but tell me some more details, and if other people are watching this, then they'll know too. Okay, so, right, we need a color first caller. Wow, time flies when you're recording. It's already 5 minutes in. Cause I'm a natural, here in my natural. Okay, Rex. Remind me never to bring my puppies near lava ever again. Oh, and I should check my videos, cause Tim you've probably written a comment by now on one of them. If you haven't, please do, cause since not too many people watch this, I feel way better if there's some comments. Rex, you're back. How's heaven? Imagine if you got asked that, like suddenly you wake up from the dead, and somebody just goes, "Hey, how are you doing, sweetie? What was heaven like?" Honestly, I'd probably freak out and be like, "I went to heaven?" But I don't really believe in that. I believe that my personal belief is when your soul is, oh dang, T/game mode. I believe that when you're buried, that you actually, when you're dead, you get turned into an animal. So, whatever your spirit animal or your favorite animal is. So, let's say you really loved wolves. They're your personal favorite animal. Then, I believe that when you died, you would be turned into that, to a wolf. And if you believe the same thing, write some of your beliefs in the comments below. Don't beat up on other people because they like this idea more, but we're all here to learn about each other and just be chill, be cool. You do that, and every now and then, that's right, that's the price you pay. Okay. 9 minutes in, so I just had to grab something. That means we only have 5 minutes left, but hey, that's half of the time that we just spent, so be grateful. Honestly, I really wish that I had that equipment so that I could record more and then I could just wait 6 hours for it to be uploaded. Yeah, it takes a long time to be uploaded. But for me, for only 15 minutes, it only takes like 10 minutes. Or no, it takes more like, it took 20 minutes for the full video, but that was because it was only 5 minutes long. I might have some little pop-ups like that, and you'll find them on Ella McBride's video. Okay. Okay, so, I'm lost. Llamas? Where are my llamas? Llamas! You guide me home. Okay, yeah, good. I found my llamas. And if you have some good ideas for the llamas, just write them in the comments below. So there's that nice, completely clear white one, and then there's two of these ones which have a bit of gray mixed in. So if you do have a name, write it in the comments below, and someday I might just look through those comments and be like, oh, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Let's say Mickey writes, I would love if one of the animals, the llamas be named Mickey. It could even be like your own name. Just write it in the comments below. What do you think? And I'll try to be as random as possible. What I might even do is I might just like write something on a piece of paper, tear it up, throw it into a hat, and pick out 3. Of course, oh yeah, if you have a name for for the only white one, write hashtag only white, and then write the name beside it, and then if you want the grayish white, write hashtag grayish white, and then write the name beside it, okay? So yeah, that way I'll know if you want to name them, and then I'll tear it up in a hat, and then I'll pick out 3 names. I'll probably only be doing that though in December. I just about died. So, yeah, I wonder what we can do now. Oh, why aren't any of these eggs turning into chicks? Oh, and I'm not sure, but I sort of was on my computer because I'm recording this on my computer right now. But I sort of looked on my computer and I thought I might have saw somebody say, when are we gonna start building a zoo? And that will be after we do my house. You guys, I'm gonna ask you to write a comment down below which animal you think we should put up next. And then I'll basically just wait about maybe a week or so, maybe 5 weeks. That's a bit long. Actually, I might just wait about 2 weeks or a week and a half for you guys to comment, and then I'll check back and I'll do the tear up into a hat and pick them out. Oh, and if you do riding lessons somewhere, oh my god, you have got to be kidding me. Okay, I thought I just saw a glitch of Farley just jumping, and then he flew off the cliff. But if you do riding lessons somewhere, write it and tell me what your horse's name, and tell me English, Western, tell me a bit about what you're working on. Tell me if you're working on going faster or if you've already been able to do galloping, and tell me what sport you're working on. Yeah, and if somebody who loves dressage watches this, tell me a bit about dressage, and even if you can find out how, do a little link of a video, and I'll click on it, and then it'll send me to that video.